Hello and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test, brought to you by Sencommunications. I'm McKenna and today we are going to be unboxing and assembling the PeopleLink Mobile Collaboration Card. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out when we post new unboxings. And just a quick disclaimer, this isn't necessarily a step-by-step tutorial. I've never seen the parts in this. I've only seen a picture of what it looks like assembled. So this is truly going to be a test of how easy it is to assemble these cards. Before we jump on in, just to give you a quick overview, the PeopleLink Mobile Collaboration Card is a 32-inch UHD 4K touchscreen display mounted on a mobile stand. The device allows multiple users to interact with the screen at the same time, making it great for collaboration, presentations, or even navigation. Because the system runs on Android 14, it behaves a lot like a large tablet, giving you access to apps, wireless sharing, and interactive tools directly from the display. The screen supports 90-degree vertical rotation, allowing it to switch between landscape and portrait automatically. The base has omni-directional wheels, making it easy to move from room to room, and it supports HDMI, USB 3.0, and USB-C connectivity with wireless screen projection for quick content sharing. There are high-quality stereo speakers and an integrated microphone array, plus an 8-megapixel camera, which is really great because then you have video collaboration as well. So really, this device is suited perfectly for corporate environments where there's a lot of collaboration, but you need to be flexible with spacing, even in retail environments or classrooms as well. But let's unbox it and try and put it together and see how long it takes. Okay, we started this at 3:21 p.m. So let the clock start now, but I'll fast forward so you don't have to sit and watch every single thing. So starting off, we have some accessories like power cords right here, and okay, here's the main arm. Try and keep everything together a little. Okay, so this is definitely what's so heavy. It is the base. So this is not going to tip over, I can tell you that. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna break a sweat today. And then it looks like the bottom layer is just the screen. Okay. I am noticing that there's no instructions. I don't know if somebody got a hold of it before me, which is very possible. Now I'm going to go get this box out of the way real quick. We got the packaging out, a lot more room to work. Literally all there is to this is the main stand, the base, the screen, and then the plug and screws. So fingers crossed this won't be too hard. It looks like it just goes into the back of the screen. Okay, I just pushed it in and it locked right into place. So that was pretty easy. And then to release it, you just press the lever up. So it will be really sturdy. I noticed underneath though, we have the cord that was locked in there. So let's go ahead and unwrap that first. I'm just going to patch in some B-roll right here to show you guys what it looked like when I was plugging in the cord. Since you couldn't really see, you just have to plug it in before you put the outside on. It just automatically connects to the stand, and then the stand connects into the chargeable base. Okay, it's flipped over. So now let's get our stand. I should have looked at the bottom of this before, but that's okay. We did it. Wait, that was so easy. It's a little crooked. There we go. Wow, talk about overthinking. Even with taking the box out back and me staring at the screws for like 5 minutes, it only took 10 minutes to put this together, and you can adjust the pole to be at any height. And then, like I said, you can also rotate it to be vertical. I am so shocked how easy this was to put together. A lot of cards have a ton of little pieces that you'll have to screw in and adjust, but if you're looking for a mobile cart and you don't want to deal with the struggle of putting it together, definitely check this one out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Also, feel free to let me know how I did. I know I wasn't the quickest, but I mean, how can you even mess this up? If you want to see us test out any specific products, also let us know that, and we'll see you next time when we put more tech to the test. Bye!